Hello friends, my name is Needhika and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing this look. So without much talking, let's get started. I have first cleaned and moisturized my face and then I am going to be using this primer. After using primer, I am going to use a foundation. You can use any foundation. It's time to do some eyebrow touch-up, for which I am using brow bar palette. First I am brushing my eyebrows in the upward direction and then I am using this brush which is provided in it and using some color to fill in the gaps. Next it's time to use concealer, for which I am using a concealer from Tarte. I will be using a brush to apply it under my eyebrows and fill in. After I do that, I will be using a blender to blend it. Next, it's time for using eyeshadow, for which I am using a light green color and filling the inner corner of my eyes to the middle section. Next, I will be using a blue color from a different palette, this color which has a little shimmer in it, and apply it on the outer eye section to the middle portion from where I left. Girls, don't hesitate to use your fingers while applying eyeshadows, as more color sticks to it and it gives a more better look. Next, it's time for using a concealer again. This time I am using a different concealer and again using a blender to blend in everything. Next again, I will be using this light blue shade as an eyeliner to underline my lower eyelids. Time for using black eyeliner, for which I am using a liquid eyeliner from Maybelline. Prefer to underline my lower eyelids with a kajal or a pencil eyeliner. Time to give a creased look, for which I am using a liquid gold eyeshadow from Wet n Wild. Time for mascara, which I am using Pink and Henry. Next I will be using a blush from Alamar Cosmetics. It's time for contouring, for which I am using an eyeshadow palette and a darker brown shade and making two lines like this around my nose. After that, I will just darken it a bit and then I will use a lighter shade to highlight the top of my nose and use a brush to blend it. Time for using a highlighter, for which I am using a liquid highlighter from Iconic London and using my fingers to just apply it to my face. So there are a few places on your face where you apply the highlighter. So the places are your nose tip, your cheekbones, your inner corner of the eyes, your forehead and your lips. Oh, and I forgot the arc section of your eyebrows. A makeup setting powder to provide a matte finish. Next, it's time for using falsies. So before falsies, what we do is we apply an eyelash glue and after that stick on the false eyelashes to your eyes like this. Now I'm again using the black eyeliner to make a winged look. Now I'm going to be using this nude lipstick from Maybelline. This is how it looks. So I'm darkening it a little bit more, so I'm using a darker brown shade. So my makeup is done. It's time for doing some hairstyling, for which I'm combing my hair. I will part it from the middle and just do it like this. look with a pair of beautiful earrings. Please do try this look and don't forget me to tag in your pictures. Bye bye.